If Google Drive is giving you an upload error, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get your file uploaded again without wasting time. These solutions are simple, beginner-friendly, and they solve the most common Google Drive upload problems that happen because of a temporary glitch, a weak connection, full storage, browser issues, or even extensions interfering with the upload. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, the fastest thing to try is refreshing Google Drive. If you're on a Windows computer, press Ctrl+R to reload the page. This clears out any temporary loading issue that may be stopping the upload from working properly. Once the page refreshes, try uploading the file again. A lot of the time, the error disappears immediately after a simple refresh, especially if Google Drive just had a brief connection or session problem. Next, check your internet connection. Upload errors in Google Drive are very often caused by unstable Wi-Fi or an interrupted network. Make sure your connection is steady and avoid switching networks or disconnecting while the file is uploading. If possible, try moving closer to your router, restarting your modem, or testing another connection. A weak upload connection can cause the file to fail even when everything else seems fine. Now try uploading a smaller file. This is a really useful test because it helps you figure out whether the issue is with Google Drive itself or with the original file. Upload a small file first, something simple like a text document or a small image. If the small file uploads without any problem, then your original file may be too large, corrupted, or unsupported. That tells you the issue is probably with the file rather than your account or browser. After that, check your Google Drive storage. If your storage is full, Google Drive will block new uploads until you free up space or upgrade your plan. Open your Google account storage details and make sure you still have available space. If your Drive, Gmail, and Google Photos storage is maxed out, delete unnecessary files or empty trash to create room. Full storage is one of the most common reasons uploads suddenly stop working. If the upload error is still happening, clear your browser cache and cookies. In Google Chrome, open Settings, then go to Privacy and Security and click Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you clear cookies and cached images and files. After that, restart your browser and go back to Google Drive. Old cached data can sometimes conflict with the current upload session, and clearing it often fixes strange loading or uploading problems right away. Another great fix is to try Incognito Mode. On a Windows computer, press Ctrl+Shift+N to open a private browsing window. Then open Google Drive again and attempt the upload there. Incognito Mode disables most extensions and uses a cleaner browser session, which makes it easier to tell whether the problem is being caused by your browser profile, stored cookies, or an extension running in the background. If that still doesn't work, disable extensions and VPNs temporarily. Some browser extensions, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, security tools, and VPN services, can interrupt Google Drive uploads. Turn them off one by one and test the upload again. If the file suddenly uploads after disabling one of them, you found the cause. You can then leave that extension off while using Drive or change its settings so it doesn't interfere. At this point, one of these fixes should solve the Google Drive upload error. The key is to work through them one by one. Refresh, check the internet, test a smaller file, verify storage, clear cache and cookies, try Incognito Mode, and disable extensions or VPNs. That method usually gets uploads working again without needing any advanced troubleshooting. If this video helped you fix your Google Drive error uploading problem, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.